Carnivore Girl's Creative Carnivore Kitchen. No plants, no dairy, the next level cooking show. Carnivore recipes with meat, fish, seafood, eggs, gelatin, flavored seltzer, water, and salt. From super easy to complicated, from quickly done to many hours in the kitchen. I always say everybody's body and brain are different, and you gotta figure out what works best for you. The carnivore lifestyle has tremendous benefits, healing effects, and is the best elimination diet. There are many different ways how to do carnivore. I found a way that momentarily works the best for me. In this cooking show, I'll show you it doesn't have to be boring and can be very creative, delicious, and fun. I already created so many carnivore recipes on Instagram at Carnivore Girl. And I have this never-ending list on my phone with tons of ideas. My brain is a gift and a curse. Have fun with this episode! Welcome to my creative carnivore kitchen. Carnivore Girl here, and today is an episode about methods. So sometimes I need meat slices very thinly cut. How do I do that? Because unfortunately I don't have a meat slicer, cutter, whatever machine. So I freeze the meat, or maybe the meat is already frozen, then I take it out and let it thaw out for just a little bit. Or if the meat is not frozen yet, I freeze the meat, but I'm not gonna freeze it all the way, so I can still cut it. And I usually, you see it, I'm gonna show you videos, I cut it on one side very thinly, and then I turn it over and I cut the other side. And when it gets too hard to cut, I just let the meat out at room temperature, wait a little bit, do something else, and then I keep cutting again a little bit. But if the meat gets too much defrosted, then you can't cut very thin slices anymore. And it depends how thin you want the slices. So this is my method how I get very thin meat slices. It's still pretty frozen, and I need very thin cut pieces here. And usually what I do, flip it over. When it gets too hard to cut, I just wait a bit. Thanks for watching. If you try out this recipe, please tag me and let me know how you like it. Subscribe, share, like, comment, follow me on Instagram at Carnivore Girl. See you next week in my next episode of Carnivore Girl's Creative Carnivore Kitchen. No plants, no dairy, the next level cooking show.